At duwang pulot metong nga team di magpasik laban galingan kimpa magbasketball kin Delta Cup 2023 ang migumpisa ng yening Lunes, November 3. Mera pating opening ceremony ken Brenzy Giao Convention Center king siyudad San Fernando at tegunan din players at coaches iba't king 11 mabalen at aduang siyudad na nim Pampanga. Banwa-banwa yung mararapat ng Provincial League IT ang timong metong nga party ng Sports Development Agenda ng Pampanga Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Libre ang paliga ang timurin ding uniform direm players. Midinan la naman siya dinala na libong budget iba't kapitolyo din balang grupo.
This tournament is a testament of the dedication and commitment of the Honorable Governor Dennis G. Pineda to advancing youth development and fostering homegrown talents through sports as reflected in his 12-point agenda. We all see the burning passion of all and dedication of the governor to cultivate the potential of young Kapampangans, especially in the field of sports, which teaches our youth about hard work, determination, resilience, and sportsmanship.
Inanunsyo ng Governor Pineda obserban dalang masalesed ang players sa ating disiplina, magaling mamyalo ng pong ating potensyal. Bang miyabe kin Pampanga Giant Lanterns, ing pambato ng probinsya kin Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League o MPBL.
Retang ating pang chance or bisang sumigido keng basketball, this is the time na makwa kayo, lumawe kami kareng players sa kwanan na ning Pampanga, imburimi, madimatan mo rin po kay katamuang Kapampangan. Yan nga manuang ko. Malayo po minsan, ikayo na'y mag-represent na ning Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Diba mas masanting?
Inawad na namang Guagua Mayor Tonton Torres at tatalakad Board of Director ni Pampanga Mayor's League kareng players na ipakiting galingan daking pa magbasketball at iwasan ng palibuntok keng hardcourt.
Ing pakisabi mi kayong players na sana gawan tayong venue ini para i-showcase ing kayong skills and talents. Tayo gagawan venue ini no ka rin ikatamo mismong Kapampangan, bipapate. At sana paltota mo na ikatamong Kapampangan, misasan metong tamo, at palto tayong galing tamo keng pambag-basketball. And sana marakal tamo pa at discover na mamagaling na basketball players keng kekatamong probinsya.
Pepasyag na mo ring Governor Pineda yung kayang instruction kin Basketball Committee, aalalang lugal ken Delta Cup, dem marinat mamyalong.
Nak, linawang ko mo kay kayo na. In liga tamo, basketball ya, boxing na. Boxing, basketball, nak. So, pakabiling kong masalese kay kayo, nak. I-promote tayo tang sportsmanship, nak. Okay? Itamo nga, tandanan nyo, Kapampangan tangan. Metong tamo mo daya, Kapampangan. It doesn't matter nung no ka rin kambalen, we're still a Kapampangan. So, there's no reason na dapat migulo tamo. Okay? In laban na ini, pakit tamo, na kung gaano kagaling na rin players na ning kay kayong balen. Once na dinog pa yung gamat yun na, close fees, karing kayabe yung players, definitely ma-out na kayo kayong liga.
Apat na team manikwang cash prize kin Delta Cup. Tanggap yung 100,000 pesos yung third runner-up, 150,000 pesos yung king second runner-up, 200,000 pesos ing first runner-up at 300,000 pesos naman ing akwanan ning mag-champion. Samantala, may akwa nemang best muse ing pambato ning Santa Rita team kin Delta Cup 2023. Kayabe Jenna Lumbang Parungaw, ako po yung kaya kayong talasuyo, Arlen Salonga, ating pusong makabalen.